guys, so today I wanted to film a kids Christmas Target haul. I just picked these things up for kids ranging ages from 3 to about 10. And Target had a really good sale. It was buy two, get one free off select games and toys. All of these except for the Laser X were included in that. They don't have that, I think that promotion just ended, but they keep having all these sales. And I think right now it's 20% off board games and maybe Disney apparel. I don't know, I gotta check. But so what I got for the little kids was this ultimate light board by Crayola. Kind of a cute, creative thing for kids. Plus you can, I guess, display your artwork and have it light up. So it's kind of like a cool nightlight too. And also these orbeez, because my kids love those fish egg jelly balls in preschool. I mean, even now they would still play with it. But at least it has like a bowl that keeps it contained and like some things, extra things, like you can squish them and make stuff with it. So that seemed like a good one. Also family bingo for the slightly older ones, but it seems like this is a good set because it has pictures, then the alphabet, and then sight words, and then numbers. So a good age range can play this. And then I haven't played this game, Kids Against Maturity, but it seemed fun, and my kids like bathroom humor, so I think they'll like it. And for my boys, the little one likes Plants vs. Zombies, so I got that Switch game, and the other one's into Minecraft. And these are all on sale. The one that wasn't on sale, and I don't have the box because some things got shipped, were these Laser X guns, the long range ones. You like load up like that. They love those. Also, something else being shipped is the no stress chess. Seemed kind of cool, like a good way to learn chess. And also these big gem stickers. I'll insert a photo of the ones being shipped in the video. A couple other things I picked up at Walmart for Christmas gifts for kids was this Elmer's Build It tool. Seems like a creative way to use cardboard boxes and build stuff. I know my third grader is building a lot of things with cardboard, arcade games, and I don't know, I think they had to make earphone holders, just a lot of random stuff. But this one has kid-safe tools. So there's a hole punch and a screwdriver, and I guess it's not super, it's rigid, but not super sharp. So they can cut through the boxes, but you don't have to be like super scared. They're gonna use the box cutter. And some extra screws. And then, of course, the caboodle that I just made, and some jelly roll pens. I used to like these when I was little. But yeah, so just trying to give you some ideas for Christmas. I know it's hard. I had to like scroll through the Target website, like through thousands of things just to find like these 10 items. So I hope this helps. Can't wait for all the Black Friday sales. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.